Guys, I was playing a game of Fortnite and I managed to actually get a hold of the flint knock pistol thing. As first likes to call it YEET pistol. And I just found it on my chest and I didn't even know it was back in the game. So that's kind of OP. Oh god. Hold on a sec. You ruined my intro, kid. Haha, yes. So you get for ruining my intro. Anyway, sorry about that, guys. So basically, yeah, I got a hold of the YEET pistol. YEET pistol. So I'm gonna see if I can win this. Sorry for not recording. I actually wasn't going to until I actually found the YEET pistol, not flint knock pistol. Oh, hold on a second. And yeah, it was a little bit confusing. I didn't even know it was in the game. Oh, this guy's a sweaty boy. Give me a second. Well, that was fun. Alright. That was amazing. Alright. So yeah, basically I'm going to be trying to win a game with the YEET pistol. So this will be interesting. My iPad's at 10%, so this won't be long. I wasn't actually going to record because my iPad was at 10%. I managed to get a cheeky headshot there with the new flint knock. Well, not new, it's been in this game for like a while now. Here, let me check the stats of this. So flint knock pistol, level 20, DPS, damage 90, fire rate 33, magazine size 1, reload time 3 seconds. Alright. A 3 seconds reload time is a bit annoying sometimes, but it's not that. Hold on, what is that? Is that a... Ooh, purple pistol. Don't mind if I take that. I haven't found a purple pistol in so long. I think they like vaulted them in season like 4, I think. They were gone. Top 10 sad moments in season 4. And they also removed launch pads, but at least they added bouncers. So to replace that, so yeah, basically. This thing is so hard to steer. Oh, they changed the boat icon. Why aren't you steering the boat? Like, Jay. Since when is steering that hard, guys? I mean, I am playing on controller right now. Whoops. So it's kind of harder to do this. But as you can see, I am on controller. And I also did a bot trolling video, but that didn't really work out considering that I completely forgot that I was doing a bot video and I went total sweat and I actually placed number 2 instead of my goal of actually not even coming close to winning, because I at least try, like coming close to winning or not even coming close to winning at all, because that's what bots do usually. I feel like I've got 4 kills and I feel like I've killed like 4 bots. Fortnite lobbies just keep getting easier and easier. Ooh, chuggies. Okay, so now I've got some chugs. Oh. Give me for a second. Oh. Is he trying to beat me? Oh, he's gonna die by the AO cards. I'm running away because I just want to see him die from the AO cards. Oh, that's not good. That's not good at all. I'm running. Is it me or when you run faster if you're holding a pickaxe than you do with a gun? I'm just gonna let him die. Later. If I win this game with a YEET pistol, I'm gonna be happy. Oh god. Is that Mando? Yep, that's Mando. That's not good. That's not good at all. Hey, Mando. You know, maybe we can just be friends. Ow! God, you've got aimbot. Ha ha ha. I'm gonna keep the yeet pistol because that's kind of the reason I started filming. Oh, that's not good. Unbox. Reload this. And get out of here. Oh, that's not good. So he probably robbed the anthem. Oh, hello. I'm dead. Everybody's got a yeet pistol gun. Okay, he's cracked. He's on white. He's healing. Ow! Dang it, guys. Anyway. So the yeet pistol is back. And that's how I got clapped in Fortnite.